When it comes to comforting and easy meals, you cannot beat a sloppy Joe. These Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes are the best matchup where sloppy joes and Philly cheesesteak collide. Quick and super easy. And this one is family friendly. Your whole family will like this one. It is great for lunch or dinner or for game day. These are ready in like 20 minutes with barely any cleanup. Welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and also hit notifications so that you get all of my recipes as they post. And guys, I know you're going to love this one. And when you do, you hit that like button and add me a comment. Follow along with me as we put together this yummy Philly cheesesteak sloppy joe. You will need one green pepper and one onion, and you're going to dice these up. Magic. Grab a frying pan. You're going to put your ground meat in here, 1 pound, and use whatever ground meat that you have that they had on sale. We're going to brown the hamburger with the green peppers and onions. After your ground meat and onions and peppers have browned, then we're going to add to it 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to help it thicken up so that we have that perfect Philly cheesesteak sloppy joe. You will want to stir it so that cornstarch gets over all of your meat and you get it mixed in good. Now I'm going to add about a quarter cup of A1 steak sauce, about a tablespoon of a steak seasoning. You can use whatever kind of steak seasoning that you want to use. We're using this Traeger right here. That's a hamburger seasoning. And then our salt and pepper. You can salt and pepper to your liking. I'm using about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Lastly, we're going to need 1 cup of beef broth. I did not want to open my whole carton of beef broth, so today I'm going to use my beef bouillon. 1 cup. You will bring this to a simmer and then you're going to cover it for about 10 minutes. While your Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes is simmering, grab your rolls. Let's get them toasted. You'll want to put some provolone on these rolls when you toast them. We are using a mozzarella and provolone shred. You can use slice or shred. These Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes smell delightful. Now, guys, don't get me wrong. We love our classic sloppy joes, but I think we're going to love these as well. This got so thick. So it is going to be the perfect consistency, and it came together so easy. Mm, it's so good. I slobbered on myself. It's so good. Guys, I hope that you liked this video and I hope that you'll do this recipe in your home. If you liked it, you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Put me a comment down there if you have tried this recipe, or if you have tried another Philly cheesesteak sloppy joe. Until next time, you guys take care and God bless.